guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, what I wanted to do is I review the new E.L.F and JKISA eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette, it's actually a collab. They do have other products, so they came out with brushes, and also with the shimmery topper, but I didn't get those. I was really interested in this one and see how it works because it's really more affordable than other palettes that come out, and I will be able to give it a good use to this palette. This is how it looks, the packaging. When you open it, it comes with stickers, which are really cute, so you can decorate the outside. And this is how the palette looks on the inside. There you go, right there. And it looks really, really nice and pretty. So right now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to do little swatches for you guys of every color that the eyeshadow palette has. This palette comes with 18 colors and it has like a really, really nice and big mirror. Let's go for the makeup look that I have right now, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah. What I want to do with the palette, it's actually a summer look, something really nice and simple. And the shades that I'm probably going to be using are these kind of shades over here. Perhaps later on I might try the green ones, the blue ones, and the purple ones. It looks really cute, but I want to do something like orangey, yellowish kind of makeup look with this. And let's see what happens, okay? What I'm going to use right now is an eye primer, and I'm going to be using the E.L.F putty eye primer that I used in the previous video. So I'm going to go with Paloma, and I'm going to use it all over my crease. So now the next shade that I'm going to be using, it's going to be Millie, which is this one, the orangey one. This is a really nice palette to have if you don't have, like, you have a small collection of makeup, because it does give you like that touch of color. So far the eyeshadows are blending really nice. I've only used Paloma and Millie, and I'm trying to blend them together, and it's really, really nice so far. I'm gonna try add a few more colors and then be done with the look. So now that I finished blending the two eyeshadows, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to grab Firefly and put it on my lid, and also grab Suki and blending both of them together first without any setting spray or anything that is gonna help it. I'm going to try and do it without any setting spray or anything that is gonna help the eyeshadow pop a little bit more. I want to see how it looks with and without. this is how the eyeshadow looks without anything underneath or on top, nothing trying to help the eyeshadow like pop a little bit more. So it actually does pop really nicely. I do like it. I'm going to try to put setting spray and see what happens. I'm going to do it again, and this time I'm going to be using Tsuki, which is the orangey shimmer shade, and I'm going to apply it on the rest of my lid. What I can tell so far is that I actually love the Firefly shade. It looks really nice on the lid. It pops a lot. It looks really cute. What I'm going to be doing for the last part, I'm going to be grabbing Soma, and I'm going to be using it on the lower lashes. Last thing that I want to do for the eyes is actually a pop of color in the inner corners of the eyes, and for that I'm going to be using a highlighter, and the highlighter that I'm going to be using is from ColourPop. It's this one from the Princess collections that they had before. Mine is in Horses and Carriage, and it looks like this, and it also has a mirror. I'm grabbing the highlighter. Okay, so there's one last thing that I'm going to be doing for the eyes, and for that I'm going to come back real quick. What I did is that I actually put falsies and a little bit of mascara just to like make my eyes pop a little bit more. Okay, so that's actually everything that I'm going to be doing for the eyes. But to finish up the review, that I really do enjoy the palette. I do think it's really nice. The colors that I tried, I really do like them. The mattes, very good, which it doesn't surprise me. That's why I really do like E.L.F. It does have like really nice matte palettes. The shimmers, the ones that I tried, between these two, I really enjoy the Flirty. Perhaps I'm gonna be doing another video trying these out with like making different looks with these shades right here that are completely out of my comfort zone. Play a little bit more with the colors that this palette has, but I was able to make this look, which looks really nice. Probably I'm going to be taking this palette. I really do enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Tell me if you want to see more videos with that palette. Tell me if you perhaps want me to try some other things, either the drugstore or not, whatever you guys want. Leave it down below. I'm gonna be reading them, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye. If you can hear that, that is my cat that is running all around the house. I do like these